Yep, they're broken. We got these Oriental style chairs in. These arms are snapped off. Arms are shaped like a dragon or a bird. And down in here it's completely broken. And on the front here it's a fairly clean break. There's some glue here. Someone tried to glue this before. Now here's the arm on the other chair. It's got a perfectly clean break. Have to pull all these tacks out and save them. I think that's as far as I need to go as far as getting these pieces back in. Probably have to use a little bit of epoxy to put all this back together. Okay. Now on both chairs there's a small piece in the middle that's missing, so I'm just going to take some oak and cut a little wedge-shaped piece to fit in there. Okay, trimming off that little filler piece. Then I want to remount the holes, first with a chisel, then a 3/8 inch drill bit. And there's one dowel broken off, I have to drill that out. Same thing on the arm. Now the arm has a shim that was installed previously. So I'm going to leave that in place. Okay, now moving on to the front part of the arm where it was split, mixing up some epoxy and sawdust. The sawdust thickens up the epoxy. It helps to fill in any voids. I've got it filled, now I'm going to hold it for about 5 minutes until it sets up. Now I want to reinforce the joint. I'm going to put a little metal pin down through the joint using a 3/16 inch drill bit. And I'm going to take a little 3/16 inch bolt, cut the head off of it, and use that as a threaded rod. First, going to fill the hole with epoxy. Then butter up the bolt and slide it in the hole. Used a small carving chisel to clean up the carving and a little sandpaper to smooth things out. And then after that, did some touch up to blend in the repair area. Then a couple coats of acrylic as a top coat. Now getting the upholstery back in place, a little bit of hot glue to tack things in place. Put the gimp back in place and put the upholstery tacks back in. I also did some repair to the cambric. Some of the tacks were loose and could fall on the floor. It's quite dangerous. So I removed all the loose tacks and put the cambric back in place, first with some hot glue, then a few staples.